Today is day 159 where I test the power of showing up. If you saw my video yesterday about fitness misconceptions, today naman, let's talk about gym mistakes na sana naiwasan ko nung beginner pa lang ako. Baka makatulong din sa'yo. One of the biggest mistakes I made was thinking that more is always better. Mas matagal sa gym, mas mabigat ang weights, mas okay. Pero hindi pala. Mas importante pa rin ang tamang form kesa magbuhat ng mabigat. Another mistake, skipping rest days. Dati feeling ko kapag nagpahinga ako, wala akong progress. Pero dun pala tayo nagre-recover at lumalaki ang muscles. And lastly, comparing my progress to other people. Ang daling ma-pressure kapag ang dami nating nakikitang may results na. Pero na-realize ko na iba-iba tayo ng katawan, goals, at starting point. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or hindi ka pa nagsa-start, gusto ko lang sabihin na okay lang kung hindi pa natin alam ang lahat. Hindi natin kailangan maging perfect para magsimula. Ang importante, you take the first step when you're ready. Progress doesn't come from being perfect. It comes from showing up. Lahat tayo may sariling pace at lahat tayo may natututunan along the way. So if you've been waiting for the perfect time to start, maybe this is your sign. Dito na muna tayo to show up again. Tomorrow